Hey, I'm glad you came back. Check this out. So, you know when you're eating spicy food, right? And you need something to cool it down, cool that heat down. So this sauce that I'm making right now will do that for you, right? It's a coconut pineapple mango sauce. I've had it in the other videos, but I want to dedicate this video to that sauce because, you know, people sleep on it. I know you're going to enjoy it. Here it is. Yep, you can't really see it. I don't want to tip it over, but check it out. Enjoy the video and enjoy spicy food from this point on using this sauce. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Okay, so for now, this sauce, we're gonna need pineapples. There's a couple slices of pineapple, right? We're gonna need about a quarter of a cup of coconut milk. And then we're gonna need about roughly a third of a cup of mangoes. And then we're gonna add a little bit of honey to it. Honey, probably a quarter of a cup. That's all you need. All right, so what we're gonna do first, got our food processor here. We're gonna add our pineapples, add our mangoes, right? Our coconut milk, put that in there. And now we're gonna add our honey. Like I said, about a quarter of a cup of honey. I mean, if you don't like honey that much, you don't have to use a quarter of a cup. Or if you don't like the sweetness, you know, Mama Shraw, she don't like, you know, it to be too sweet. So she stays away from this sauce, believe it or not. But you need this for the heat from the jerk. Or any spicy meat that you're eating, okay? So let's get this blended up. All right, let's give it a look-see. Looking good, looking good. Let me get some tasting chopsticks here. Test them out. There's still some chunks in here. I don't want the chunks. Let's taste it. Oh, that's good. That is so good. But I want to get rid of those chunks. See how we look? Yep, that's what I want. So let's get this in a bowl to be refrigerated. Okay. So let's put this in the bowl. Get a spatula here. Get all that goodness out of here. Excellent. All right, there we go. We have our coconut, pineapple mango sauce. This is good for any meat, right? Any meat that is spicy and you want to cool down the heat. This will do it for you. So if you like this recipe, hey, give me a thumbs up, share it out. Hey, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit me up on Instagram, right? And then that way you get a heads up on what's coming next. That being said, this is Shrashira. I'm out.